I just wake up, oh, where I see say people they tag me for video inside the things. You dey bab. But me, I know say me, I know they come live by this time. But this video, me, I know they want do video self today. But I see say George 77 go sit for. I they can't chop oatmeal that too. Why I see say somebody tag me for video inside the joint go hit FM for interview, make it promoting song for Andy Dustin show up. But before I go start, if you dey watch me, master, me, I know come say they can't preach. I verse from the thing where I watch me. I want to tell the guy where he dey the radio station where they call him Andy Dusty say it's a pussy. That be what I want to tell him. It's a pussy in a Shatawale voice. If somebody know Andy Dusty, make it tag Andy Dusty give me. Taron Caesar Nabona Balaba. Andy Dusty, you are a definition of a pussy presenter. We know you, Shatawale, they feed you Andy Dusty because you are a dick. You are not professional at all, Andy Dusty. You be fuckery presenter. When they say fuckery, you be fucking fuckery presenter. You don't know anything. Andy Dusty, what kind of fuckery job is this? How you feel go call 77 cent? Somebody come your radio topic, they can't promote your song. Andy Dusty, everybody know. Here we dey SM movement boys, tag you them things, then can't insult you. Here we dey Shatawale give you $1,000, you do video with the whole world see. So we will not say you Andy Dusty, you be ass kisser for Shatawale. You dey kiss Shatawale in ass. But the whole world, you people watch, listening to Andy Dusty. You see the ignorance and the stupidity Shatawale can display for Andy Dusty for Hit FM. If you know watch him, go watch him. Then you go learn sense. You go learn sense from him. We dey do good, give people. No, they mean say you won't make people do good, give you back. Oh. Every day I dey tell you something. If you help me today, where I tell you say thank you, my brother. If you help me today, where I tell you say thank you. Me then you know get business. So you know be compulsory say if you need something, you come to me, make I help you. I be the bab. If you help me today, no, that means so tomorrow I for help you. If you help me today, God say my help is there your hand. So as soon as me I tell you say thank you that. You know that means say tomorrow if you can't help me, you help me. So tomorrow they need something, you come out. I'ma forgive you. No, you know they like that. You the bab Andy Dusty. 77 cent come your station say they can't promote song. If the song they can't promote too. As you come there say they can't promote song, where you end up they ask some question, where the guy they give you answer. We watch the thing. Joint they give you answer. If the joint in song you won't come promote for your show, it no be Shatawale matter where it come. Where you they ask the boy about Shatawale, where the boy they talk what you know. Then you go call Shatawale, put for the show top. Why you they call Shatawale? For what reason you they call Shatawale? You fool Andy Dusty. You they can't settle issues. What be the reason of calling Shatawale? That be what me I won't understand. You they call Shatawale say, make Shatawale can't talk. Say you don't want call Shatawale. Ask him say what George 77 cent they talk. It be true or what? But you the same fucking Andy Dusty for your interview side. You say you sit down, you watch Shatawale interview where you do again. Before you can the question. So meaning no, for Shatawale in live video where you do, Shatawale Ankasa talk say he sack the boy. The talking with Shatawale, you call Shatawale, ask him say why he sack George 77. He bring you the same thing where you the video you say you already watch. The same thing Shatawale can talk. George 77 go take platform at the same. It take go America embassy, go collect visa. The same thing you call the guy, he can't talk. So you know the reason why Shatawale sacked George 77. So what be the fucking way they call Shatawale back on the ask him the same stupid dumbass question? You don't call yourself presenter so you be professional. Where Jimmy Anna? So come small way Shatawale go give you. It be the reason why John 77 cent he come the station there say they can't talk Shatawale matter, they can't promote his song. Shatawale say the boys know the force, you know they do good. Where the boy do song, he then Tuleke, where he come to your fucking studio or your fucking radio station, say they can't promote his fucking song. So as you dey ask am a matter, where if it be settlement you want settle, where Shatta be your man, you go fit invite Shatta. If you peace where you dey want to, where you dey want the attention, they know there's a way to settle peace. You go fit settle peace, call John 77 cent, call Shatta, go Shatta in house or for your house for anywhere, behind closed door, no camera, settle issue. If it be blogging where you want blog or you want fame, you want make traffic come your radio station, you go fit bring Shatta Wale, then 77 cent, then put all of them together. But not on a neutral ground where 77 cent come your fucking station, they can't promote his song. Then you go call Shatta Wale, put for the fucking phone top after you ask the boy question where the boy talk, we all know Shatta Wale they house, they listening for fucking radio. Then you go call Shatta Wale, put for there. Then you see the whole world see how Shatta Wale they bully. Where are they tell you something? If Shatta Wale they talk, where 77 won't come inside, the Andy Dossi go tell 77 say, make Shatta Wale finish. Kwasiya! Make Shatta Wale finish. It be Shatta Wale in show. It be Shatta Wale where you the interview for there. Andy Dossi, you a pussy. You see, you they make the people, the artists way, then get a limelight already. They bully the underground people. The underground people know they feel voice out what they worry them. This is why Ghana music know they move forward. You they make the people where they get a limelight and they already know. Then they bully the underground boys. So if they do something, from the way they talk, you they give all the credit to Shatta Wale. One proof to 77 cent what you they talk. It be lie. That be what you want proof to the fucking world. That be what you and the Dusty they do. Because on the normal shit, you know be Shatta Wale in thing. It be 77 cent in fucking interview. They can't promote in song. When you call Shatta Wale for top, where Shatta Wale talk, where you listen, may I tell you today, anybody where they talk, me I get God, I get God, God be this, it's a fucking liar. That be the most fakest person, fake, anybody. You see how Shatta Wale talk, am I God this, am I God that, am I God this? Such a person, don't trust that person. We be sack our boys, so. We be sack our boys. That be why sack our boys, they take the chop client. If you put God fearing for client inside, client they believe you, client go wire you money. Anybody where be God fearing person, you know go take evil, give them say you go fit do evil. The men of God where now they catch them no. Why the people they trust them? The people they trust them say they be God fearing people, but behind closed door, no, the pastors they be evil. You don't understand me? Behind closed door, no, then be evil. Anybody where they talk, and me, they believe in God, and they do this, Master, that person be the definition of an evil. Run away from that person. You see Shatta Wale, fucking ungrateful being. You they talk say, and John 77 said, what you do give you, you they can't collect the car, you they give them one. What kind of fuckery talking be that? What kind of fuckery talking be that? You said the person know the right song. The person know they do this. You see, 77 cents say, he they write your own song. You want disprove the boy, make the world know, say the boy he be piece of shit. Why the boy too? He they stand on his ground. But you bully him because Pussy and the Dusty, you call Shatta they do the whole talking. You listen to the video, I will talk say half of the talking was done by Shatta Wale. Meanwhile, you know call Shatta to settle case. On the fucking ground, you and the Dusty, if you they think as a human, everybody will watch that video. On which ground? Where John 77 cent go fight ambassador. Say he won't beat the ambassador in security. For which ground? Where you get some fucking liar radio presenter, he send a text over there. We know what Shatta can do. We know what Shatta can do. Fucking radio presenter send text say it be true. He did there. Where John 77 cent they can't beat the ambassador. What kind of fuckery life is this? You watch John 77 cent, he be strong boy. If John 77 cent go fit beat the driver, then Shatta Wale no go fit beat John 77 cent. What kind of fuckery life is this? You put the thing like it's like a shutter show. I be able to tell you the people, the artists where they get the limelight, you know. The song where John 77 Cent do is a nice song. I swear to God. I know they like John 77, but in song, you know, then Tuleke, you know. Ah, come on, man. Where if Shatta be real G, you won't see John 77 Cent move on. As a real leader, you go bless the boy. You go bless the boy. But you they can't give him a Camry. You Shatta Wale, if this way people do give you, the begging you go beg, then things people do give. If everybody won't collect the things where do give you, what you go get left? If Nana Apia say they can't collect the fucking house where he take give you, what you go get left? Eh? What you people you go get left? Everything you do give from Blade, from everybody, anything you buy give. Even Shatta Michi self, the thing you buy give out. The woman where you chop and you down born self, you dey collect. What kind of man you be? You what kind of human be where you be where you go do good give somebody, you don't get problem. Papa nyeshu aboni nyeshu kwasia, Papa nyeshu aboni nyeshu abua. This way people do give, they go can't collect you. What you go get left? What you go get left? If we wanna stolen money, Namwan take buy house, give you where they swim for them. If Namwan say it too, Papa nyeshu boni nyeshu abua, nyama na odi amount no babe jia. Debe nebe kawa hu. So you can't dare there. You dey fabricate story. If you listen to the interview, tell me I vest this money. I swear on the dust you are a pussy. I don't know. You all these kind of fucking presenters you did there, they call yourself professional presenter. Eh? All these kind of fucking people call Andy Dusty. You did there. We they see you, Shatta you they beg for money, Shatta they give you money. So you push Shatta for that way, they bully. John 77 said he talk anyhow. Kwasia, Shatta Wale dey your tutor, he dey curse. He dey curse, he dey do. John 77 said curse one. Hey, you two why? Onya gbemi me and the Dusty. Kumasini krasini. Say you from Abu Abu. Where from Abu Abu where you from? We from Abu Abu Roya. Kumasi, we get house for them. Abu Abu Roya. And the Dusty, you a pussy. You show the whole West so you be ass kisser. This video go read to you, a dick sucker. Don't they do so? Give the small boys chance, make them shine. On your fucking ground. You need to shut Shatta Wale down and say, hey, massa, this be my radio. Shut the fuck up or you get smacked the fuck up. That be what Andy Dusty you need to do. As a presenter, you control, but you sure say you a pussy. Shatta the control you. At the end of the day, you go call and you go beg for money. So you know if you do shit, you make it bully John 77 Cent on the fucking station. The whole world they watch. Everybody see uncivilized. How uncivilized you and Shatta Wale you be? On which kind of ground? Who they do good give somebody time me say, I they take my thing back. My nigga, are you dumb? We all be there, people help we. Which we help people. People betray we. But we never tell the people say, make them give us the things where we get. No. Are you a fucking Indian? Dick sucker. You go call Shatta Wale. You go call Shatta Wale. What kind of fuckery Shatta Wale you go call? If Shatta Wale in show. The whole fucking talking was done by Shatta Wale. We're not there to listen to Shatta Wale. On which ground you call Shatta Wale? To settle where issue. Where issue. Where you know if you tell Shatta Wale say, your master shut the fuck up. Shatta Wale they go, they curse, they disrespect. Hey, leg. He won't threaten the boy. You know the one he they talk. You know the ones John 77 talk because you know say the way they do, if you give joint chance, joint go talk shit where they go talk. You go, you said and sign the boys. You and the Dusty self, you fool, eh? Shatta Wale said the boys signed contract for life. Shatta Wale said the boys then sign contract for life. Where he and Ankasa can sit for live video say he sacked them since January. It be more for a talk. That video alone is an evidence. Make I tell you something, you don't get sense. I dey give you example. Now I go sign to Manchester United. Say I sign contract with Manchester United for 10 good years. Where Manchester United know they like the way they play. Where them Ankasa, Alex Ferguson or whatever Ferguson or Onyesin can sit and talk say We sack Darlington. We know they want Darlington for the team inside. It not be me at all. The manager of the Manchester United team assigned 10 years, so I just do only like 6 months or 1 year. Where the coach can't talk for life, for sports, whatever, say, we sack Darlington. We know the one time we leave and make it go. I go feel go any team I want on that video for court is an evidence give me. Or you don't know. As soon as you open your mouth, make the word know. That be why they get video say, I sack you. The moment you talk that thing, that video alone for court, alone, it's an evidence. You not be me where I say I go. You make the whole world know say, I go. So on that ground, it's a done deal. I don't give a fuck we are on a paper or what. That's it. Why you humiliate me, you make the world know so I'm not good. You disgrace me. You bring me down to the low. There's something called human right. I have a right. As soon as you let the world know, say, you know, the work plus me, you sit down, that video alone, for court, it be evidence, so I don't get any for life shit we do with you. You know, they care no matter what is on the fucking paper. It not be me I talk, it be you talk. So you did that way and the dusty way, Jimmy, you go bring Shatta Wale, where Shatta Wale they talk. Shatta Wale don't get any reason. The only reason he sack the boy, so of the embassy, the America, the boy, they go, they see, say, they pay them. If they pay them, say, just 77 cents, go collect this thing. Visa. That be the only issue. There's no any fuckery issue over there. No issue anywhere. You call them the same thing you talk. You go visa, you go. That be the only issue. No any fucking issue anywhere. On which ground self you call Shatta Wale to find out say what just 77 cents. Now they say make you bring the car. And the dusty said they open no. The thing where they want, I be you get them. Right? The thing where they want, I be you get them. And you buy them car, make you bring the car. You two just 77 cents. And everybody where they follow Shatta Wale. If the car there your name inside, massa, don't take anything go. But if they buy you car, where the car still there, Shatta Wale name inside, where if you guys say the car be your own, massa, it be lease where the lease give you, then rent give you. How if you take me go, say Coffee Boat, give me 5,000. The boy said then give him 2,000. Then you can't dare there. They talk say he dey lie. If you listen to John 77 talk, everything they talk, he get witness. He say at the same day there. The time where they sack him, you go see Abba Sarki. Abba Sarki give him in boys where they come there. Where who they there? He say at the same day there. Everything John 77 sent they talk. He get evidence so. He say who they there? At the same day there. He never talk where he say nobody dey there. You understand me? He never talk where say nobody did it. Anytime they ask, I say who did it. At the same day there. So the boy, he they talk true. Then give me 2,000. How if you there for radio say Coffee Boat, give me 5,000. Coffee Boat no go lie. If them call Coffee Boat today, Coffee Boat go confirm say yes. I give them 2,000. Shatta Wale they lie. You won't threaten the boy. Anything, my God. Fuck you. Which God you get? Anything, my God. Which God? Which fucking God you Shatta Wale you get? Na Akpanga or na Don Brogo for Navrogo where you get? Where God where you get? Where fucking God? Everything, my God. Anybody, I go tell you today, you where they watch me, they like me or no they like me. Any person where them they deal, where they put God. Must have fear that person be criminal. That be the Sakawa people on a movement. If we get client, we they make the client know say we God fearing. We will they love God. So they believe pastor. Pastor they tell you about God. So you know say pastor he be God fearing man no go fit do you evil. He be he go chop off your head. Then be like that rat they call him queen. You know queen. That rat they call him queen. The one that they chop your hand. You eat where you don't wash your hand. Ofia or not ofia or whatever they call us. Some people you go bite your hand, they go blow hair. That be Shatta Wale. You understand me? That be Shatta Wale. That a crana they go chop your hand. Chu. Then the thing they can't pay you, they go blow. Then you no go here, you go sleep. Before you go wake up, a crana will sound in na ofia and ofia. na no fia na no to so fia. So be Shatta Wale. Ofia ana ofiam ana what did they call him? Aruna Amba say what? I call you so I don't get. Aruna get out, you know call me. That be Shatta Wale. You don't understand me? So fear people. You know, see, you won't make the word Shatta Wale, you won't make the word no say, yeah, he's a good guy. And my God, Massa, that guy say evil. Listen to it talk well. Go listen to the thing. You know, say that guy no get clean out give people. You know what the boys do. Massa, you know be muff. You know be muff. You and Kasa do the judging. Do the judging. You and Kasa do the judging. If you know listening to just 77 cents in song, I dey beg you people. My people where they watch me, I know say some of you like me, some of you know they like me. Give me only 3 minutes. I dey beg you people. Make you listen to just 77 song. If you know the jump, tell me. If you dey jump, go download the song and support them. This be just 77 song. Listen. I don't want to make you listen to 77 song just for 1 minute. If you know the jump, I dey beg, tell me say John 77 said you know the force. But if you dey force, I dey beg, go download the song then support. See, I can't tell you something to you. This be John 77 in part 2. The boy where they say know the force. So listen to the lyrics, listen to the rap. I know they like John 77 cent. I know go lie you. I know they like that boy. I never fake before. I know they like somebody that they tell you, I know they like some. But this be in part, if they can't speak, just listen to the lyrics. If the boy know the force, ask Shatta the talk say no how they write song. It therefore and the Dustin in radio talk say the song no go be hit, the song be baller. You know they like the song $1. Make I listen to John 77 in part be this. Boy know the force. You Shatta Wale, when you listen to John 77 song, you say the song no they be. How many songs were you release for that way no be hit song? Tell we Ghanaians with the listing. You release a year, if you release like 100 and something song, out of the 100 and something song, only 3 be hit songs. You Shatta Wale, a year, if you release 100 and something songs, out of the 100 and something song, only 3 be hit. If I dey lie, can't tell the whole world say it be lie where they lie. Who they release song pass you where no be hit? Who for this music industry where they release song past you Shatta Wale where no be hit? You dey feel release song Shatta Wale before the year go end. You go feel release like 100 and something song. Out of the 100, make you go check the record. Out of the 100, only 3 or 4 will be hit song. The rest all it be baller. If your militant do song. If your militant do song where you know they like the song, no they mean say the fans, if you put the song for there, the fans no go like am. Kwame Eugene, Kiddy them, Kevin Boy, you know be all them are songs where we they like. Some of them are songs it be baller. You know be all of them are songs where we they like. The same apply to you Shatta Wale. A year, you go feel release. Then God go bless you with kekpun, then one, then you get hit song. So what do you excuse the talk say all the song? Release them. You know the one made the boy shine. Release the song. The more we with the fans. They don't do the song for you, your ears. If you Shatta Wale know they like the song, no they mean say we the fans we no go like the song. So if they do song, then give you boss. So this is the song we will do. Where you know they like. Okay, for you to tell them say this song no go hit, to prove to the world that you go put the song out there. If you put the song out there, where the song no do good, then you go tell them say, you see, Massa, Drake, Jay-Z, Kendrick Lamar, every artist you they see, them put plenty for their way, you know they jump along the line. People they do album. Out of the album, even Eminem they do album. Out of the album, only 2 or 3 songs will be squash for them. You don't understand me? So you can't put for them. Where you they talk say they do song, you know they be, so you know they put the song for them. If you be the listener, if you be the fans, you how many songs you they put for them? How many songs you Shatta you they put for them? Tell me. For the records, Mahiti for Ghana inside, you put song past everybody. A year, 100 and something. How many? Since this year started, Shatta Wale, since this year, Then start from January. Show me any hit song where you release. You release plenty. Which one be hit for inside? I want make I know. Maybe me, I don't know. This from January, we did June inside. You release plenty song. Which one be the hit? Bojo be the hit, or which one be the hit song? Show me. You release plenty. Then you can't dare that they lie for the boy top, make the whole world see, say the boy no be this. I already told the world you are a pussy, Shatta Wale. You know, so we they hate you. You know they want to see people rise. You see, from your talking, only the sensible people, the people where they think, not the ungrateful soul. There are people who are always grateful for the little things you do for them. They will say, if they go listen to you, the way you act on Andy Dusty, it show this morning go show say you are a pussy. You know they want to see mankind move forward. Any person where you get clean heart, where they do things because of God, if you do something give you, you know we can't sit down talk. Any person where they do things give you because of God, if they want blessing from God, you know they do one for show, for mankind, for the whole world to witness. You know go tell you say every good thing where I do give you, they can't give me. You did there. I they love God. I they love God. Man where they love God, where do good give your fellow human, you they ready talk with the talk. They want make the whole world see. They tell us say make you bring the thing where you do give them. Where the God where they love from. So your God, your Bible tell you say you do good give somebody, make you collect them. Where in your Bible where they read the God where say you they like them, you they love them. Tell you say if you do good, give people. Can't talk the whole world, then take. God say, make your hand, let your hand right. Do good thing where your left hand self no go witness the good thing where you do. That be what you talk. Make your right hand do good where your left hand no go witness the good thing where your right hand do. So you do small thing and can't park the car, can't park this, can't park this. You say be God fear, you do on the me my God where they worship. Why your God where they worship say Papa and Yoshi are born in Yoshi? What bodam? It be African 4 times so Papa and Yoshi are born in Yoshi. Where your God? You if you can say Ghanaians are stupid, if you can say the listeners whether they listen they be stupid because where you have a dick rider like Andy Dust where they ride your dick. It not be your show. He call you. We don't know why Andy Dusty even call you at the fucking first place. Where he call you, he put you for top. He did bully 77 cents on the fucking radio. You don't want to make the boy talk. You see why I talk say make you no go grind interview. Massa, if you go put fact to fact, Massa, you are wrong. You Shatta Wale, if Andy Dusty be real, if the pussy Andy Dusty, it be real as it is, you go tell say Shatta, why you since you start? You never, anybody where you get problem plus, you never do wrong. Are you God? You fit tell Joseph says make it deduct the small money where he give you. Look at ungratefulness. The time where you the hung, where you did the dance summer, where you did the boy room, you the time say the 1 city give you that 1 city, God and that 1 city. Oh, you today you survive. Till you get to where you did today, say you be King Kong. That 1 city, that time if John 77 cents give you that 1 city, it be like heaven give you. That time, John 77, the room where he put you, now you be kubolo, you dey sleep for outside. If it rain, you then carry your people they sleep. Where you can't put you for that room. Where that 1 city, if they give you, they take to go back or more butter and 1 more where they chop. That time, if they give you that money, it be heaven give you. But today, God can bless you. You just make it deduct that kind of money. Every good thing where you do give them, make it take and give you. Then you go tell say you your God. You your God you dey worship. Oh, now be me God. We God. You ever create any God? You get any God? You get any God? Just Ghanaians and most of your followers are uncivilized people. They are ungrateful. They say they don't get any life. How many of Brabi are about to say yeah? So they are dumb and shit. So anything they go talk, yeah, then they there. Some of them they buy them credit. Yeah, I buy you credit. Go on this guy in line. Go talk. Cause see ya. If you not be ungrateful, every shit way you can do. On my papa, the coffee boat, the people where they help you, the beggar, you be international beggar, the people where you they beg them money, oh, people where you go there, they beg them money, then do you good. If they reason, if they reason, they not be ass kisses. The way you can't display for Andy Dusty in show, it go show them say you are fucking ungrateful human being because obia papa maudao. Shatter. You see, etinaye ma arefie, etinaye emma arefie. You forget, you get something small, so you forget. You forget say you were once a baller man before. You forget say once you dey hung before. You forget say once you be beggar before. You forget say once you be phone tea before slide shatter slide for Cali. Go pick you, then Jewel them can pick you. Where them do you la sulila where today God then them you go register the SM movement where it no be your own. You beg, Kofi both them then T saw them, they help you before. Abbas Giwa them saw they help you before. Nam1 can't take stolen money. He go steal people them money. People la sulila money. They go buy you house. Then you there. Today you can't display. I wake up, man, they come live by this time. By the way, then tag me for the video where I watch where you did. But I don't go blame them. I don't go blame you, Shatter. I go blame the militant. Where I go blame anybody where you do follow back. You they follow somebody in the name of leader. Your leader and enemy no be your enemy. So confused. This are the same. Captain, Natalie. They insult big artists. They insult artists where them for work with. Some say they know insult them, but say confused. That boys then get hatred towards another artist. Another artist not the one work with them. Because of you, Shatta Wale, they disrespect where you disrespect other artists. So it make those boys not if you work with other artists. Then today, you can't stay there. They talk as if nobody did. You see, you people are the reason why sometimes Ghana music industry no they won't help people because you are fucking motherfucker ungrateful. Yeah. You are fucking motherfucker ungrateful. Because people help you people, you can't get small. See how they bully the people under you. See how they bully the people under you as if the whole world be your own. Then you did there, hey, leg, hey, you want threaten the boy. Why Andy Dusty? You they call yourself professional presenter. Hey, Andy Dusty. You they call yourself professional presenter. You know the job. And the Dusty, you say you know the job, and you call somebody on your show. The show is not even about him. The boy is there to promote his song. He don't ask you. It be you where start to question the boy. The boy don't ask you, but you question him. He was matured. He voiced out. So on which ground you and the Dusty you call Shatta Wale to prove say what? I know say before we. John 77 cent go come the studio. You and the Dusty, you've already talking to Shatta Wale already. You people get plan already, so you go put Shatta Wale for them. Yep. Before I know say before Joint go come to the show, before Joint go come to the show, I know say you and Shatta Wale have conversation already. Because if you be professional, Mofo no put Shatta for them. No, never. Mofo no put Shatta for the radio because you know they make sense at all. Only pussies do that. Mofo no put Shatta for them. Do if you don't want, bring Shatta. Can interview Shatta. Or you say, Shatta, I won't call you.